Hello everyone, I will teach you how to convert a binary to decimal. Binary to decimal. In binary, the base is 2 and in decimal, the base is 10. Consider the example 1011 in binary. Okay, this can be written as, now you have to start from this side. Okay, so first I will write 1 into 2 to the power of 0 plus next 1 into 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3. Since the base is 2 in binary, in order to convert from binary to decimal, you have to write this in this form. Okay, so you have to start from this side and you have to move towards left. Therefore, I wrote first 1 into 2 to the power of 0, next 1 into 2 to the power of 1, next 0 into 2 to the power of 2, next 1 into 2 to the power of 3. This can be written as, now see, 2 to the power of 0 is 1. So 1 into 1 plus 2 to the power of 1 is 2. So 1 into 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2 is 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2. So 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2 is equal to 8. Therefore, 2 to the power of 3 can be written as 8. This is equal to, now 1 into 1 is 1 plus 1 into 2 is 2 plus 0 into 4 is 0 plus 1 into 8, 8. So if you add this, you will get 8 plus 2, 10, 10 plus 1, 11. 11 in decimal. Okay. I'll write another example. 1 0 1 0 1 1. Okay, consider this in binary. Okay, this can be written as, start from this side and move towards the left. I'll write this one as 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. Now see here, I have started from this side. 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 0 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 1 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 3 plus 0 multiplied by 2 to the power of 4 plus 1 multiplied by 2 to the power of 5. Now I can write this one as 1 into 2 to the power of 0. 2 to the power of 0 is 1 plus 1 multiplied 2 to the power of 1 is 2 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 2 is 4. 2 into 2, 4 plus 1 into 2 to the power of 3. 2 to the power of 3 is 8 plus 0 into 2 to the power of 4. 2 to the power of 4 is 2 into 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. Next, 1 into 2 to the power of 5. 2 to the power of 5 means 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. Sorry. This is 2. Okay. 2 into 2, 4. 4 into 2, 8. 8 into 2, 16. 16 into 2, 32. Therefore, 2 to the power of 5 is equal to 32. Okay. Now, I will simplify and write this one. 1 into 1 is 1. 1 into 2 is 2. 0 into 4 is 0. 1 into 8 is 8. 16 into 0 is 0. 32 into 1 is 32. Okay, if you add all these, 32 plus 8, 40, 40 plus 2, 42 plus 1, 43. 43 in decimal. Okay, therefore 101011 is equivalent to 43 in decimal. Okay, next I will consider next example. Now I'll consider another example. If you have a decimal form, then how can we write this one? For example, I'll consider a number point 0 1 1 1 in binary, that is equal to how much in decimal. Okay, now 0.0111, you have to write this one after decimal point. You have to start like this. Okay, therefore first you have to write after the decimal point you have 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1. You need not write 2 to the power of 0. Okay, after the decimal point you have to consider 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay, I wrote 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1 plus next 1 into 2 to the power of minus 2 plus next 1 into 2 to the power of minus 3 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 4. Okay, so this is equal to 0 into 2 to the power of minus 1 means 1 by 2 plus 1 into 1 by 2 to the power of 2 plus 1 by 2 to the power of 3 plus 1 by 2 to the power of 4. Okay, this can be written as 0 multiplied by anything, answer is 0, plus 1 into 1 by 2 square, 1 by 2 square, 2 square means 4, plus 1 by 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 means 2 into 2 into 2, it is 8. 1 by 2 to the power of 4, 2 to the power of 4 means 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, 16. Okay, therefore 0 plus 1 by 4, 1 by 4 equal to 0.25 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 8 equal to 0.125. If you want, I'll show you how to do it. 1 by 8 equal to point, take 0, 8 ones are 8, 2 remaining, okay, 2 remaining 0, 8 twos are 16, okay, 4 remaining, okay, again take 0, 8 fives are 40, okay, so 0. Therefore 1 by 8 equal to 0.125 plus 1 by 16, 1 by 16 is equal to, if you take point, okay, 1 0, not possible, again you have to take one more 0, therefore you have to take 0 here. Okay, next 16 6s are 96, okay, 4 remaining, okay, 16 2s are 32, 8 remaining, 16 5s are, okay, 80. Therefore this is 0.0625. So you have to add all these. While adding, what you have to do is, I'll add here, okay, so you have to consider 0.25 plus 0.125 plus 0.0625, right? Now I'll add all these. This is 5, this is 7, 8, 8 plus 5 13, 1 remaining, 4 plus 1 5, this is 0. Sorry, this is 4, not 5, this is 4. Okay, that is 4. And this is 0. Okay, 0.4375. Okay, this is 0.4375. in decimal. 0.4375 in decimal. Okay. So next I will write another example, okay, which consists of both. Consider the example 11.101 in binary, that's equal to how much in decimal. Okay, so first I will consider, see, 11.101. You have to start like this and you have to start like this. Therefore I will write here, first I will write this one left hand side, 1 into 2 to the power of 0 plus next 1 into 2 to the power of 1. Okay, so you have point, therefore next you have to put plus. Okay, 1 into 2 to the power of minus 1 plus 0 into 2 to the power of minus 2 plus 1 into 2 to the power of minus 3. Okay, so now see here, 2 to the power of 0 is 1, 1 into 1 is 1, plus 2 to the power of 1, 2, 2 into 1 is 2, plus this is 1 by 2 plus 0 plus 1 by 2 to the power of 3, 2 to the power of 3 is 8, 1 by 2 to the power of 3, 1 by 2 to the power of 3 is 8, that's equal to 1 plus 2 plus 1 by 2 is 0.5 plus 1 by 8, 1 by 8 is 0.125. Already I have showed you in the top here, I have showed you. Okay, therefore this one, this can be written as, this is equal to 2 plus 1 is 3 plus 0.5, 0.125, don't be confused. Okay, like this 5, this is 2, this is 6. Okay, so 3 plus 0.625, that's equal to 3.625, 3.625 in decimal. Okay, this is the answer. Okay, so I hope you have understood how to convert binary to decimal, even if you have a decimal point. After the decimal point, so you have to take it as 2 to the power of minus 1. Okay, before the fraction point you have to consider it as 2 to the power of 0. I hope you have enjoyed with this video and you have understood the concept. Thank you.